2. 1.
Of all the polls, the last one is where my fucking one does, or my crushing darkness doesn't go off. This is the poll, boys.
Oh, sorry. Shouldn't hit you.
It's fine.
I got.
You get both? No, I got one. I got weak.
I thought that was my cleanse. I also cleansed.
Okay.
My
It'll be a double. All good.
Yeah, I'll get this first one. That's you.
Alright, prepare to call the train.
I got this one as well.
What the fuck? Get that away, get that away, get that away. That's not good at all. Call the train now.
Acknowledged. Your transport will arrive in 6 minutes. Update. Transport will
Cleanse
arrive
that.
in 3 minutes.
Yep.
Oh, that's...
Why?
Dan needs mega
Why?
heals. Oh.
Already working on it.
Update.
Jesus Christ.
Transport
Okay,
will
I
be
need
arriving
help
in
pushing.
error minutes.
Why isn't
Train
that
is
thing
now arriving.
Easy.
Train is
The
now departing.
mutagens augmented the Trandoshan regenerative. Does that mean
I got
you're
proud.
I gotta wait.
No,
I gotta wait
of course
for a
not.
break in the,
Inflict a massive enough trauma all at once,
in the
and it will
thing.
definitely die. Just be mindful.
That should be yours.
It will be a lot stronger
Yeah, I
when
cleansed
you
with you, so I'm cleansing this now.
Hook it up.
Early.
Next one's yours.
dive bomb going out.
Yep.
And to get myself.
I got
Got it.
Pred, please. Just
Somehow I cleansed the wrong person.
yeah, you cleanse me.
Sorry, I got next cleanse.
What the fuck?
I got this cleanse.
I'll get the next one. Now.
Okay, I'm helping
Dive bomb.
Grius.
On tracks, please.
On the track, on the track, on the track.
We're good.
Fucking poggers, I love you.
Pushed now. Push.
Okay, call the train.
Calling the train now.
Transport
Care,
request
do not
acknowledged.
stand in front of Kron.
Transport will arrive in 6
I
minutes.
got cleanse.
Stand here and look pretty.
Big push on Kron.
Hang on, wait. He's not quite there yet. Okay, we're good.
Now.
Transport will arrive in 3 minutes.
Pred. Okay,
All
never
right,
mind.
bring Hissy,
I'm bringing.
please.
Oh, he's doing a caustic.
Hold up,
Don't
hold up,
push
hold
it.
up, hold up.
Now
Okay,
bring him.
bring him. Big. Alright, cool.
Get off. Off.
Yep,
off,
get off.
Off.
Big. Easy.
Wow.
Will be arriving
I have
in
Shroud.
error minutes.
Okay, I'm going up the ramp right
Good
now.
shit, boys.
I got furry
I got
guarded.
cleanse.
The train is now arriving.
Guard me,
The
please.
train is now departing.
You are.
Train clear.
And you're in trash. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna put both dots and then a force leech, and that's it.
Yeah,
All those conquest points just from killing them. Heck.
I know, right? The new conquest farm.
Take.
Ah, poggers.
Ooh, not poggers.
Oh, he's coming back to me.
I'll taunt him again.
Alright, you guys can EPS
Oh,
now, by the way.
I didn't need to jump off for that.
Oh,
Do you need for that?
take now.
Taking.
It's going on me.
Alright, bombs.
I'm staying right here.
Yep.
Watch his attacks, please, guys.
Oh, he went back to you?
I taunted. So that he would
Okay.
do that to me.
Yep. correct.
Okay.
You move.
Gotcha.
You don't. You can't move during that.
She is up.
Hi. Oh, he's
There.
doing dive bomb.
All taunts him down.
I
Actually,
got him.
never mind. That's
Alright, I'll be honest. Healing's a little stressy right now. If DPS could chill for a second.
Yeah. Everybody group up.
I
Out
don't
of
know
the
where
fire,
he
out of
is.
the fire, out of the fire.
Oh.
He was just on you.
Yeah, he
Dive bomb.
glitched on my screen and fell beneath the screen. I'm gonna let him go back up to
fuck.
you and then I'll taunt.
Yep.
Thank you, Dark.
I tried, bro. I tried.
You did. I felt it.
Oh fuck, I didn't want to jump off for that.
That's fine, it's safe than sorry, right?
Uh,
Careful. Take.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my god.
I'm bubbling. just
You
so
are
that I-
fucking insane. Why can't I? Okay, I'm CC'd but can't CC break, and I can't forest barrier because I'm CC'd.
Correct.
Okay.
Why? Oh.
I'm trying.
Just
4%.
live.
Just hit the boss. Just hit the boss.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I didn't have Shroud.
Dying light after this.
Dying light, XD.
No!
See ya,
We
bitches.
literally-
Wait,
we
no.
literally killed it. We literally killed it. We literally
Kill
killed
yourself.
it.
Kill yourself.
GG. Unironically, GG.
Oh.
I'm alive.
Oh
Holy fuck.
My fucking god.
Oh my gosh.
Fell off that train by the
GG.
time.